My topic is marketing automation and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Marketing automation refers to the use of software and technology to automate various marketing tasks and processes. It allows businesses to streamline their marketing efforts, improve efficiency, and deliver personalized experiences to their customers. Marketing automation platforms typically offer a range of features that include email marketing. Automation tools can help create, schedule, and send targeted email campaigns to specific segments of your audience. They often include features like email templates, personalization, A/B testing, and analytics to track campaign performance. Lead generation and management. Marketing automation helps capture leads through various channels like forms, landing pages, and social media. Once leads are captured, the software can track and manage them throughout the sales funnel, nurturing them with relevant content and automated workflows. Customer relationship management, CRM. Integration. Many marketing automation tools integrate with CRM systems to provide a seamless flow of data between marketing and sales teams. This integration enables better lead management, tracking customer interactions, and aligning marketing efforts with sales objectives. Behavior tracking and personalization. Automation platforms often include tracking capabilities to monitor user behavior and engagement across different channels. This data can be leveraged to deliver personalized experiences, such as targeted content, recommendations, and dynamic website messaging. Social media management. Marketing automation tools can assist in scheduling and publishing social media content, monitoring social interactions, and analyzing social media performance. They may also provide social listening features to track brand mentions and sentiment. Analytics and reporting. Automation platforms offer reporting and analytics features to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and gain insights into customer behavior. This data helps optimize marketing strategies and make data-driven decisions. Workflow automation. Marketing automation enables the creation of automated workflows and triggers based on user behavior, such as sending follow-up emails, assigning tasks to sales representatives, or updating customer records. Marketing automation refers to the use of software platforms and tools to automate repetitive marketing tasks and processes. It involves leveraging technology to streamline and optimize marketing activities, such as lead generation, customer segmentation, email marketing, social media management, campaign tracking, and more. Marketing automation allows businesses to effectively engage with their target audience, nurture leads, and drive conversions by delivering personalized and relevant content at each stage of the customer journey. By automating routine tasks, marketers can save time and resources while improving efficiency and effectiveness. Lead generation and management. Marketing automation helps in capturing leads through various channels and automates lead nurturing activities. It enables businesses to track and analyze prospect behavior, score leads based on their interactions, and deliver targeted content to move them through the sales funnel. Email marketing. Automation tools assist in creating and managing email campaigns. Marketers can set up triggered emails based on specific actions or events, send personalized emails to segmented audiences, and track the performance of email campaigns. Customer segmentation and personalization. Marketing automation enables businesses to segment their audience based on various criteria like demographics, behaviors, or engagement levels. This segmentation allows marketers to deliver personalized messages, offers, and recommendations to specific customer segments, improving engagement and conversion rates. Social media management. Automation tools help in scheduling and publishing social media posts across multiple platforms. They can also provide analytics and insights to measure the impact of social media campaigns and optimize strategies accordingly. Analytics and reporting. Marketing automation platforms offer robust reporting and analytics capabilities, providing valuable insights into campaign performance, lead generation, customer behavior, and ROI. These insights help marketers make data-driven decisions, refine their strategies, and achieve better results. Workflow automation. Marketing automation allows marketers to create and automate workflows, which define a series of actions based on triggers or conditions. Workflows can be designed to automate lead nurturing, follow-ups, customer onboarding, and other marketing processes, ensuring consistent and timely communication with prospects and customers. Integration and data management. Marketing automation tools often integrate with customer relationship management (CRM) systems, content management systems (CMS), and other marketing technologies. This integration allows for seamless data flow and centralized management of customer information, enhancing the overall marketing efforts. Marketing automation refers to the use of software platforms and technology to automate marketing tasks and processes. It involves using various tools and features to streamline repetitive marketing tasks, manage marketing campaigns, and analyze data to improve marketing strategies. Some common features of marketing automation platforms include email marketing, automating email campaigns, such as sending personalized emails, drip campaigns, and transactional emails. Lead generation and management, automated lead generation and management processes, such as lead scoring, lead nurturing, and lead segmentation. Social media marketing, automated social media posting, scheduling, and monitoring across multiple platforms. Campaign management, managing and automating marketing campaigns across various channels, such as email, social media, and PPC advertising. Customer relationship management, CRM, integration, integrating marketing automation with CRM systems to track customer interactions, manage customer data, and provide a unified view of customers. Personalization and segmentation, using data and behavior tracking to deliver personalized content and messages to specific segments of the target audience. Analytics and reporting, generating reports and analyzing data to measure the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, track ROI, and optimize marketing strategies. Benefits of marketing automation. Increased efficiency. Automation reduces the time and effort required for manual marketing tasks, allowing marketers to focus on other important aspects of their job. Improved lead generation and conversion. Marketing automation helps in identifying and nurturing leads, increasing the likelihood of converting them into customers. Personalization and targeting. By leveraging the data collected through automation, marketers can deliver personalized and targeted messages to specific segments of their audience, increasing engagement and conversions. Better customer relationship management. Automation allows for better management of customer data, providing insights into customer behavior and preferences, and enabling a more personalized customer experience. ROI tracking and analysis. With automation, marketers can measure the effectiveness of their campaigns, track ROI, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their marketing strategies. Analytics and reporting. Marketing automation tools provide detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing businesses to measure the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns, track key metrics, and make data-driven decisions for optimization. Workflow automation. Marketing automation streamlines repetitive tasks and workflows, reducing manual effort and human error. By automating processes like lead scoring, data entry, and social media posting, businesses can save time and allocate resources more efficiently. Overall, marketing automation helps businesses automate and optimize their marketing efforts, resulting in increased efficiency, improved customer engagement. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.